everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to review the new Lakme Andriss Satin which I have bought from a nearby market. I am happy with the product price because the product price is affordable. I have bought the 4 and this is a relaunch by the Lakme. I'll say relaunch because I used to have the old version of this new Lakme Andriss Satin. I think the purple, dark purple shade, yeah, packaging it used to have. The product was good. So I have pointed out some of the good thing and the worst thing about this product. So without wasting much of your time, let's start, and afterwards the squashing of this you can see. Tantana, the product is here. Yeah, the cute packaging, the transparent one, and the easy to carry. So I love this product packaging because it's looking so sexy. I can carry it everywhere I want. It's so cute, isn't it? We girls love lipstick. First I'll say the good thing about this product and after that the worst thing. So let's start. First, this is a budget friendly lipstick because this is affordable, easy to carry, and I love the pink shades of. I have bought all the pink shade because I love pink. So, and easily available in the market and rich with the olive oil, vitamin A. So I think the no base or lip balm is needed. It moisturizes your lips and within the price of 260 it's good. You can buy this from the market. And one more thing, the packaging as cute as you. So one more thing, this is a so many shades available and you can choose from them, so no worries. Here I would like to tell you one more thing. If you want to get a matte type texture on your lips, you can easily bout on your lips only when it get dries on your lips. Don't bout on your lips when it is wet, okay? And the product is good. Now let's talk about the worst or the bad thing about this product, new Lakme Andriss Satin. So I'll say that it easily get transfers. When you drink, when you eat something, it easily get transferred to the other material, okay? So I'll say that after 4 to 6 times you have to touch up. So this thing I hate about any lipstick. I don't want any lipstick to get transferred. Second thing I'll tell you that the smell, okay, the smell is little sweet citric type. I used to hate the old product because of this smell. So if it bothered you earlier, then it is gonna bother you now also. So I'll say that it is not good for the dark shade girls because the product is not so so bright that it doesn't gonna suit on the dark shade girls. So girls don't. This is all about the new Lakme Andriss Satin. Now let's move on to swatches of this 4 lipstick. I have bought the 4 lipstick. The coding are P149, P135, P158 and P154. All the shades are pink because I love pink.